Good day, sir. Today I'm going to explain each line of code of our laboratory activity 10. Yes. Okay, so here is our code. First, I'm going to explain the function of this line 1, import numpy as NV for numerical operation and array handling. Line 2, import matplotlib for plotting graphs. And line 5, fs is equal to 1000 is for setting the sampling frequency to 1000 Hz. Line 6, t is equal to np.arrange the quantity of 0, 1, 1 over fs is to create a time vector from 0 to 1 second with the step size of 1 over fs or the sampling frequency. Line 9, the low frequency is equal to np.side the quantity of 2 times np.pi times 50 times t is to generate a 50 Hz sine wave or the low frequency signal. Line 10, high frequency is equal to 0.5 is to generate a 200 Hz sine wave with half amplitude. Line 13, noisy signal is equal to low frequency plus high frequency plus 0.3 times np.random is to combines the two sinusoids and adds random noise to simulate a real-world noisy signal. Line 16, plt.figure the quantity of fig size is equal to the quantity 10/4 is to create a figure window. Line 17, plt.plot the quantity of t noisy signal label is equal to noisy signal is to plot the noisy signal versus time. PLT line 18, plt.title up to 20, plt.y level amplitude is to add title and axis labels. Line 21, plt.grid and line 22, plt.legend, line 23, plt.show is for showing the grid, legend, and display the plot. Line 25, from scipy.signal import Firwin Frips is to import tools to design FIR filters and analyze frequency response. Line 28, cutoff frequency is equal to 100 is to set cutoff frequency to 100 Hz or the low pass filter. Numtops is equal to 51 is to set the number of filter coefficients or control the filter sharpness. Line 32, FIR coefs is equal to Firwin, the quantity of numtops, cutoff is equal to cutoff frequency, sampling frequency, Fs is equal to sampling frequency, is to design a low pass filter, FIR filter using a Hamming window. Line 35, WH is equal to freaks, the quantity of FIR coefs, word n is equal to 8000, is to compute the frequency response of the filter. Line 36, frequency is equal to W times Fs or sampling frequency all over the quantity of 2 times np.pi is to convert angular frequency to Hertz. Line 39, plt.figure the quantity of fig size is equal to the quantity of 10 port, and line 40 plt.plot the quantity of frequency absolute of h b is to plots the magnitude response of the filter. And line 41 up to line 46 plt.show is to shows that frequency above 100 Hz are attenuated. Line 48 from scipy.signal import I filter is to imports function to apply the filter. Line 51 filtered signal is equal to I filter the quantity of FIR coeps 1.0 noisy signal is to filters the noisy signal using the FIR low pass filter. This line 54 plt.figure the quantity of fig size is equal to the quantity 10.6 is to create a new figure. And line 56 plt.subplot the quantity of 211 up to plt.grid is to plots original noisy signal. And line 63 plt.subplot 212 up to line 68 plt.grid also. The function of the line I mentioned is to plots the filtered signal or the high frequency noise remove. And line 70 plt.type layout and line 71 plt.show is to adjust layout and display the plots. And line 73 from scipy.fft import FFT is to imports function to compute the fast Fourier transform. Line 76 noisy signal FFT is equal to FFT the quantity of noisy signal. Okay, is to compute frequency spectrum of the noisy signal. This line 77 filtered signal FFT is equal to FFT the quantity of filtered signal is to compute frequency spectrum of the filtered signal pala. And sa line 76 po pala naulit sa line 76 pala is yung function po nito is to compute frequency spectrum of the noisy signal. And line 77 is to compute frequency spectrum of the filtered signal. Sorry, yun po yung tama. And line 80 freaks is equal to np.fft.fft frequency is to generate frequency values corresponding to FFT bins. Line 83 plt.figure quantity of fig size is equal to quantity 10.6 is to create a figure. Line 85 plt.subplot the quantity of 211 and line 86 plt.plot is to plots magnitude spectrum of noisy signal. And line 82 plt.subplot the quantity of 212 and line 83 plt.plot is to plot magnitude spectrum of filtered signal. Line 94 plt.title up to plt.grid is to add labels and grid. And this line 99 up to 100 is to display the frequency domain results. And to summarize this code, these codes create a noisy signal, designs a low-pass FIR filter, remove high-frequency noise, and compares time domain and frequency domain results. In this part, we compute and plot the magnitude spectrum of the noisy and filtered signal using FFT. The frequency response plot shows how many of the high-frequency components have been attenuated by the FIR filter. So here is the summary I mentioned on the previous slide. This code creates a noisy signal, designs a low-pass FIR filter, removes high-frequency noise, compares time domain and frequency domain results. This is the output of the code. Ito po yung itsura ng noisy signal na combination of low and high frequency na may add noise. And ito yung itsura ng frequency response of the FIR filter. This is the noisy signal and filtered signal of the low-pass FIR filter. And on the last slide, here is the magnitude spectrum of noisy signal and the magnitude spectrum of filtered signal. That's all. Thank you.